Hi guys, my name is Lacey Elizabeth and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is actually part 3 of my review on Patrick Starr's brand new collection. He launched a lot of products this week. I'm so proud of him. And in my first review, I simply sprayed this Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist on my back of my hand to get rid of the swatches. So I thought for this video, I'm actually going to spray it on my face and give you guys like the complete review. I've got lashes on, I've got Patrick Starr's makeup on, I've got the glitter on, I've got the liners on, I've got it all on. So let's actually remove it. Let's get started. Hey guys, so basically we have the one size Go Off Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes, and we have the one size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. So what I'm gonna do is, in Patrick's tutorial for this, when he launched it, he said remove your eyelashes. So PDA, just removing eyelashes. These are the lashes with the clear band. For my lashes, I'm using the House of Lashes lash glue, the clear one. It goes on white, dries clear, with the lashes with the clear band, which I'm living for these lashes with the clear band. Obviously I just removed them, but they don't tug at all. Like, removing them is so easy. So love this product. It's a huge shout out. Now that our lashes are off, I'm gonna go in with our one size makeup dissolving mist. So I'm actually just gonna take my earrings off to do this. Earrings off, eyelashes off, cap off, eyes closed. Literally, I just concentrated on my eyes and now I can open them. Like, if you guys have ever used this Morphe continuous setting spray, and this is fine. This is fine, this is fine, like so fine. Now that we have this on, so I'm just pulling it out and pulling it out. This is like a magic trick, it just keeps going and going and going. I'm gonna seal it, and I'm gonna close the door. They're so soft, like compared to like a regular makeup wipe, and I've used a whole bunch of them in the past. Like, nothing compares. But this is the eyeliner here that I put in my hand. There's no spray on my hand, so I thought this would be a good comparison. So I'm just going in with the clean makeup wipe, no spray. So literally the makeup dissolving mist actually does help quite a bit, because that did not come off in one swipe like it did in part 1 of this video. So I'm gonna try it again. Okay, that's 2 swipes, 3 swipes, 4 swipes, 5 swipes to be completely off my hand. That's without the mist, because this is coated in it as well. I'm just gonna go in with the rest of the makeup. I'm gonna start with the rose gold brown side. I'm not pulling one swipe. I'm gonna go in now to the green and black side. Again, not pulling. It's like it just wipes off. It's magic. These are magic makeup wipes. What I should have done is probably just did half the face to show you guys how easy this comes off. But I think you guys get the gist of it. Now on his launch tutorial, he did mention that if you had sticky eyelash glue on your lashes, or, you know, say you have on one of those, you know, cream liners that just are so stubborn and they don't come off, you could totally just spray a little bit of the mist on a Q-tip and rub. Always remember your ears, because you probably put foundation up there. So I want to show you guys, this is the back of it. This is the side I was using, but it's picked up all the glitter. I have no glitter on my face. It's like a chamois for your face, if you will. This will remove your makeup, 100%. So I have no glitter left on my face. There's absolutely no glitter there. There's no makeup left on my face. This removed all of it in like a couple of swipes. So I am living for this product. I love this product. Love is like an understatement. This is so good. If you're going to buy anything out of the collection, I'm going to recommend this Everything and More color. It's so pretty. And this product, like honestly, in the wipes, like these are like a ride or die for me now. I don't think I can switch. I love these, and like I've been using the same brand of makeup wipes, the pink label for sensitive skin. I've been using those same makeup wipes for 4 years, but I also add the micellar water to it. So as much as I love the system I have for removing my makeup, this hands down beats it. Love it. This is not sponsored. I just am in love with this product. Okay guys, thank you for being on this journey with me. I can't wait to see you guys again next week. Stay safe and well. See you soon. And remember, if you like my videos, please smash that like button and hit subscribe. It's there, I think. Over there. Can never remember. Bye guys. Bye.